Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes.
This is the 6th session for the elementary level. And our today's grammar is about there is and there are positive. Definition. We use there is and there are to say that something exists. ما there is و there are را برای نشان دادن موجودیت چیزی استفاده میکنیم. There is used for singular nouns. There is با اسامی مفرد استفاده میشه. For example, there is a car on the street. یک موتر در سرک هست. There is a pen on the table. یک قلم بالای میز هست. There are is used for plural nouns. و there are با اسامی جمع استفاده میشه. For example, there are 2 cars on the street. در سرک 2 تا موتر هست. There are 3 pens on the table. و بالای میز 3 تا قلم هست. There is and there are negative. استفاده there is و there are در جملات منفی. The negative form is made by adding not after is or are. حالت منفی there is و there are با علاوه نمودن not بعد از is و are ساخته میشه. For example, there is not a car on the street. در سرک هیچ موتری نیست. There is not a pen on the table. و بالای میز هیچ قلمی نیست. There are not 2 cars on the street. در سرک 2 تا موتر نیست. There are not 3 pens on the table. بالای میز 3 تا قلم نیست. There is and there are question. استفاده there is و there are در جملات سوالی. The question form is made by bringing is or are to the beginning of the sentence and adding a question mark at the end. حالت سوالی there is و there are را با آوردن is و are در ابتدا یا اول جمله و ماندن یا علاوه کردن یک علامت سوالیه در آخر جمله می سازیم. For example, is there a car on the street? So, what is the first word in this sentence? Is. What is at the end of the sentence? A question mark. آیا هیچ موتری در سرک هست؟ Is there a pen on the table? آیا روی میز هیچ قلمی هست؟ Are there 2 cars on the street? آیا در سرک 2 تا موتر هست؟ Are there 3 pens on the table? آیا بالای میز 3 قلم هست؟ And this brings us to the end of our session for today. و دانش آموزای عزیز باید داشته باشید که یک تمرین ضمیمه همین ویدیو شده که بعد از تماشای ویدیو باید انجامش دهید. Thank you and goodbye.